I'm Bodie Cohen. I'm the host of Jeopardy. Today, our topic is climate change. And our contestant, Braddock. Brett, have anything to say?
I've been studying for this for a very long time, and I hope to do the best I can. That's all I can say.
That's all you can say?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so the rules for today are Brett has to get to 1,000 points. If Brett reaches 1,000 points by the end of our questions, he gets $10,000. Should we start?
Yep.
Alright. You nervous?
Very nervous, sir.
Alright, question 1. What is the evidence that proves the climate is changing?
So, the global average, increased by more than 1.4 Fahrenheit, over the last century. And this has been changing the world, and it's getting warmer, and it's just causing a lot of problems.
That's 100 points right there, Brett. Question number 2. Are human activities or natural variations in the climate responsible for the climate change being observed today?
The Earth goes through a lot of cycles of cooling and warming, and that's mostly from us. And that the warming is primarily a result of the greenhouse gas emissions from human activities like industry, car gasoline, everything like that makes that greenhouse gas emissions.
Brett, I'm really sorry to inform you, but you did perfect!
Yeah.
Alright, Brett. That was 200 points. Your total is now 300. We've now made it this far in our segment today. We're now on question number 3, worth 300 points. Are you ready for the question, Brett? How can the change of 1 or 2 degrees in the global average temperatures have an impact on our lives?
I think it can have an impact on our lives because, the temperature keeps going up and up. This is what's causing all the problems of climate change. And if it reaches about 200 or 400%, then that means parts of the western United States can be burned and seared by wildfires. And that's definitely that quality of it.
Brett, kind of got on the edges there, but you got it right, my dude.
Yeah.
All right, Brett. Now, we'll be right back with you after this short commercial. All right, folks, we're back here with Jeopardy. Brett Braddock, who now has 600 points. The next question will only be worth 200 points. Brett, will a small rise in sea level affect people, even in the United States?
I think a small rise in sea level will affect them in the United States. And by the year 2100, the sea level will rise about 1.5 to about 3 feet.
Really?
And it'll risk coastal flooding.
Brett, you just earned yourself 2 points. Brett, you're now on question 5. You have 200 more points to go to get to 1,000. Okay? Each question will now be 100 points. Do emissions of carbon dioxide from human activities have a big impact on Earth's climate?
Yeah, they have a huge impact. And
Huge?
that carbon dioxide from humans is not part of the natural balance. Carbon dioxide levels are higher than they've ever been for about 800,000 years. And it's just crazy how it's affecting our climate.
Good job. That's 100 points, Brett.
Yeah.
You're now 100 points away from $10,000. Only I do that.
You know what?
Brett, here's our 6th and final question. Is it too late to do anything about climate change?
Hard one, but no, I don't think it is too late to do anything about climate change. If the governments, communities, and individuals of every continent, country, and all that band together, then we can make cleaner and healthy air by stopping big industries, by polluting our biosphere, and getting a different kind of oil, gasoline and everything. Then we will definitely make the
Brett,
air cleaner and healthier.
you have just won yourself $10,000. And there you have it, folks. That's Jeopardy. Brett, Braddock, and Bodie Cohen.